This home is so unique, you'll never find another one on planet Earth. Now this home behind me here is just over 1,800 square feet and is actually a former show home. Now, since it's been purchased, there has been quite a few upgrades, like the $30,000 worth of solar panels up on the roof to keep those expenses low. Now, being located in Gary Station, you're just minutes away from one of the newest elementary schools on the entire west side, as well as being close to all of the fantastic amenities that the west side has to offer. Now, as I mentioned, this home was a former show home, and it's going to be very evident when you walk right through this front door because of this unique layout and these gorgeous finishes. Now, this home is well over 6 years old. However, this place has not aged even the slightest. Starting off in the kitchen, I first wanted to bring your attention to probably the most unique feature on this main level, which is this custom coffee / breakfast bar kind of over here. Now, this is a layout that you don't see in very many homes, and it's a really unique feature. So you're gonna be able to entertain while people are in the kitchen. You're gonna be able to eat those fast breakfasts without sacrificing any of this bar seating, because up here you do have this elevated bar seating over here. Again, this is gonna be an entertainer's dream for people. So you can have people, having drinks or helping out with dinner. You can have people down here already getting started on dinner while you're in the kitchen, and you can just keep an eye on everybody on this main floor. Now, speaking about the kitchen specifically, let me just point out a few of the upgrades, like this oversized farmhouse sink. You do have a Bernazoni gas range over here, and behind me there's been no expense spared with this dual door fridge and freezer combo, which of course everybody's gonna love. This whole side is a fridge, this whole side is a freezer. So even if you have big families or you just love entertaining, you're gonna be able to fit all the drinks and all the ice in either one of these. Now, continuing through, there is a full-size walk-in pantry that continues through and also acts as a mudroom out to your garage. And then back in here, we do have a built-in oven and microwave combo to complete this space. Now, just off the kitchen is the formal dining room area that's gonna lead off into the backyard and that back deck. However, you'll also notice that that back deck is actually non-existent, and neither is the landscaping in the backyard. So that's gonna be a blank slate for you to customize however you like. Now, before we head upstairs to that really unique layout on the second level, I just wanted to stop here and show off this unique living room where we do have a gas fireplace as well as subway tile and a mantle. And just notice how big these windows are. You have 4 individual frames bringing in a ton of natural light and looking out onto your backyard. Now, up on the second level, before we get to the primary bedroom, I just wanted to stop right here in this hallway just to appreciate that from that front door, you do have that open to above feeling, as well as more windows, letting in more natural light up into the second level. And this is a really unique floor plan up here, so let's go take a look. So this is one of my favorite layouts for a primary bedroom, and that's probably because you don't see this very often. Now, you can see here that there is a king-size bed that fits in here perfectly with a ton of extra room. You have a ton of windows, bringing in more natural light up here, but you also have this full walk-around closet that gives you the ability to have a massive walk-in closet over here, but also just adds a little bit more character to the home by having this full wall and hiding all of the mess away while still being spacious and versatile. And finally, we do have a 4-piece primary ensuite attached to this bedroom that features dual vanities as well as a walk-in shower and a custom frame mirror, custom sconces, and beautiful hexagon tile flooring. Now, on the way to the sunken bonus room, we're gonna pass by the other 2 bedrooms on this level that are both a really good size, and in between the 2 is the full-size 4-piece bathroom for this level that's also very spacious. Now, there is one other thing I wanted to point out before we get to the bonus room, and that is this full-size laundry room area, and I just love all the finishes in here, including that matte black hexagon tile. Now, to finish off this area is the sunken bonus room for this level, which is probably going to be the family's most favorite area of the home. Now, we have seen a ton of bonus rooms in homes in Lethbridge, but just having this little bit of a sunken area gives you taller ceilings and gives you that little bit more character that you might see in, a mid-century modern 70s or 80s home. Now, what I really like about this space as well is that it's a little bit more separated from the other bedrooms, because this area here, I'm assuming, is going to be super loud when you're watching the big game or watching movies. Thank you guys so much for touring this brand new former show home with me. And if you guys want to see this home in in person, be sure to call, text, or email me. My name's Kurtis Hawkins with the Real Estate One team at Real Broker. And if you guys like this video and want to see more, just subscribe.